Hi there, welcome to bOnline. Let's get your apps set up. Log in to the app using your username, which is your email address, and the 6-digit PIN you created on the My bOnline portal. The home screen of the bOnline desktop app gives you quick access to your call history, voicemail messages, and text messages. Recents will show you everything at once. Calls will show your call history, including the number of the person, the date and time of the call, and the option to call the person again. Voicemails will show you any voicemail messages left for your number. Chats will show your internal chat messages. On the left of your screen, you'll see favorite contacts and any numbers you have recently made contact with. Clicking on the Make a Call button will open up the dialer for you to make outbound calls. On the dialer screen, you can set a caller ID to display when making outgoing calls. Initiate a call by searching for a contact or by using the keypad. Click the Phone Book button to the left of the screen. Your contacts can be found under these categories: Favorites, Personal, and Internal. Internal shows all the users that you have on your account, their extensions, and their availability. To move a contact to Favorites, click the star next to the contact. You can add a contact by clicking the Add a Contact button at the top right of the page. After you've entered their details and clicked Create, you will find your new contact appear under the Personal tab. We also make it easy for you to import multiple contacts by uploading a CSV file.
Downloading a sample file will show you how to list contacts in order for them to be imported correctly.
Clicking the Settings button will give you access to your app settings and information. Your media settings allows you to configure your video and audio devices. From your notification settings, choose how notifications are displayed, whether or not they should make a sound, and enable or disable notification pop-ups. To forward calls to a different number, select the easy-to-use call forwarding feature. You can choose when to forward calls, always, when you don't pick up, or when you're busy. Type out the number or extension you'd like calls forwarded to. Once you're done, toggle it on, then click Save. This will enable call forwarding. To disable the call forwarding rule, just toggle it off. Caller ID allows you to change your outbound caller ID to be anonymous or set to an additional number assigned to your account. Integrations make it easy for you to sync Office 365 and Google Contacts to your bOnline desktop app. Click on the lock icon next to the account you'd like to sync. You'll need to log into this account for the process to be completed. Once complete, there will be a new tab in the phone book section of the desktop and mobile apps to see those contacts. If you would like to remove those contacts, you can simply click on the lock again and it will sign you out of that email address. The connection setting acts as an indicator showing you whether or not there is a problem with your internet connection. The language setting allows you to change your app's default language. Keyboard shortcuts make it easier for you to answer, mute, transfer calls, and more. The phone book setting allows you to turn any directory on or off, or adjust the order in which they display. If you're using the web version, you can download the desktop app from here. If you're on the desktop app, you can update your app from here if it is not the latest version. Your Apps About page shows you information such as what's new, a link to our help section, a link to our website, and more. Click on My Profile in order to change your present state and status. This is also where you would log out of the app. By clicking the Edit button above your name, you can edit your name, surname, phone number, and email address.
You can also change your login PIN from here.
The app's web version can be accessed from the My bOnline dashboard as well, under the Download Apps section. If you require any additional assistance or have further questions, please feel free to reach out to our team at voipcare@bonline.com. We are here to help and look forward to assisting you.